City Attorney Zach Klein looks to reduce crime, stop porch pirates, and improve neighborhood safety by giving out federally funded Ring doorbell cameras to around 700 Columbus residents.
If you're a porch pirate and you look at a couple houses and there's a couple that have lighting and cameras and there's a couple that don't, there's the low-hanging fruit for the ones that don't.
The areas where these cameras will go, Klein says, is based on police data showing zip codes with the most homicides and police calls over the past year, like Linden, the Hilltop, and others. These cameras will help detect
license plate numbers, cars, missing persons, drive-by shootings. So this is a way, I think, that empowers our residents in the 10 most crime-ridden zip codes to not only make them safe and their families safe, but also be part of the solution to help the Division of Police if they choose so.
So far, CPD data shows that there have been 110 homicides in the city this year. Mothers of Murdered Columbus Children's goal is working to keep homicides every year under triple digits. They're hopeful these cameras will help lower homicides for 2025.
I'm optimistic that any efforts that will allow our vulnerable neighborhoods to be placed in a safer situation, obviously it goes towards every effort for under triple digits.
Melissa Thomas St. Clair has seen other states and cities do similar programs.
To see that it's happening here in Columbus, and I'm sure several other cities across our nation, it's a welcomed opportunity.
Klein says that law enforcement won't be able to access any video unless the homeowner hands over the video. He's optimistic that they'll do so when called upon to help CPD. If you are looking to apply for one of these cameras, City Attorney Zach Klein has this application that you can fill out. It's going to ask you questions like, what's your zip code? What's your household income? And if you have Wi-Fi. If you meet all of these requirements, you'll be entered into a lottery. The deadline for this application is December 9th, and we'll have this linked for you on our website, abc6onyourside.com. On your side in Columbus, Nick Vigilant, ABC6 News.